I will try to show you how to uh, export and import the animation and share with other characters. So select the armature, change here to pose mode, and check this to auto keyframe. And for example, I will press A to select every bones, and then I press I. I will change to 30, and I will select not every, any bones, and I will make the uh, animation, rotation, scale, for example. But in our case, it's a rotation. I will select the chest and I press R, and I rotate, and the key was marked here. And you change the number, for example, 60, and rotate to the other side. And you change it to other number, 90, and for example, you hold Alt key and then press R to return to original position. Then select everything again and press I. Then I press play. Sorry, select the number here to 90. Then I press play. As you can see, the animation is running. It's not the best one, but it's just for an example. Uh, I will change here to object again. Then I press A to select everything. I will change this to Bulma test. Uh, Let me check here the nonlinear animation. It's not necessary, just to check. Then I select everything. Then I go to File, Export, FBX. Um, Here you mark this one, select objects, so press to armature, hold shift, then press mesh. So you just need to select these two. Geometry, you keep this. You don't need change nothing here. In armature, you uncheck this one and mark this one here. Always mark this, only the form bones. In animation, keep this and mm, uh, select this simplify and change to 0. It will avoid to some bugs on the animation. Then I will change the name here, Bulma uh, test dot 000. You can choose any other number name. So press enter and enter. And now you can open other file if it's necessary, and general, new general, and you don't need to save, but if you want, save. I will not to do this. So press A and A again to select everything, press X and delete. Go to file, import, FBX, and go to the folder where you save the file. And I select this, Puma test 000. Select this and import. Uh, I select the armature, go here in this small guy here to armature, I select the viewport display in front, and I like to use this one here, stick, to make the bonds more thinner. And you, to open the dope sheet, you go here, this, uh, until appear the cross, press the left mouse left mouse button and drag to up. Sorry, Dr- until you see the the new new tab. Select, click on here this corner, select the dope sheet, and click on dope sheet and select action. As I said, the name of animation, this one, Bulma test. You can press Ctrl A and rename it just for Bulma test because the name it's too different inside here. Bulma test. Then if you press play, you can see the animation. I will change here the number. It's 90. And I press play. So it's working here. But if you click here, you will see the other keyframes here. I don't know what it's happening, but the original one is the first when you import the model. So you can click here and click in Blender Files in this arrow of action and press here, press the shift key and select these three ones, press the right button of the mouse and delete. Just keep this one and return it to view layer. To use this animation in other one characters, for example, you go to the other characters, you import them. For example, I will import the Android model. I take this one and import. Then let me see here. Bulma, I can select the Bulma and press Hate key to hide her. Select the armature, make in front, and you will, once you select the armature, you will be able to see the animation here. Then you select and press play. So you will be able to use the animation just from the FBX model. You are not able to use the animation using the Rigify. For example, if you open the Bulma Rigify, if you make the animation, with Rigify and try to use this for FBX model, it will not work. I will show you an example. You import the Android model. Then if you try to use the animation from Rigify to Android, it will not work. For example, here, this animation, Rigify. So if you select the Android and you click on this, it will not work. Uh, I'm sorry, I will change the number here to make the loop. And press play. As you can see, it runs the animation to Rigify, but not to her. So if you want to see this animation working on this model, you have to uh, select the armature, select the model, and export. I will show you again. You you select the armature, the model, go to File, Export, FBX, press Select Object, press Armature, hold Shift, press Mesh, keep Geometry, equal, armature you change here, only deformed bones, and uncheck this, animation, keep everything OK, and then you press 0. Or you can, for example, uncheck this, NLA. If it's up to you, but I think when you keep this NLA, it will make more the same animations. But keep this one, for example, uh, and then press. I will change the number. I will put Bulma to Android, and then you press export. So we select her and you press H to hide, for example. Then you uh, can press select the armature and then press this X to unlink the animation. So you select the file, import FBX, Bulma, and Bulma to Android. Then you import. As you can see, she is here. And before everything, you can, I suggest you change the name here. Change, for example, Bulma to Android. Now you can, for example, select her and press H to hide her. And you select the Android armature and click here, you will be able to see the Bulma to Android animation. You press play, then it will work. And then why? Because the position of her was changed. Because when I made the animation to Bulma, she was here in this position. So you have to see every time you send the animation, you just keep it in the center of the pivot here. I think it can help you, and if you need any other thing about the animation to export, you just let me know and I will try to help you.